everyone out there in Wasabi Land. This is Jennifer from Oregon Coast Wasabi. Today we're going to show you how to make culinary wasabi juice. It's really easy. So what you're going to do is, if you've got a plant, you're going to take the leaves off of your plant because we're going to use the leaf stalks. So just the stalk, not the leaves. You can take the leaves off and save them for other things, but we're not going to use it for the juice because the flavor's just better if you just use the stalk part. So we're gonna take our stalks, they're like spicy celery. You're gonna take the leaves off and we're just gonna use a juicer. So this is just a home juicer. This isn't any kind of commercial fancy juicer. Just put them in the juicer, minus the leaves, like you would celery, and you're gonna end up with this really beautiful green juice. This juice can be used in all sorts of things. It's amazing in dressings, the sorbet that I'm going to show you, also cocktails like a Bloody Mary, or we've had people make martinis with it. It's also really good in lemonade and also in iced tea. So it's really delicious. It has a very sweet, spicy balance to it. So you think wasabi stock juice, that's going to be too overpowering. Oh my gosh. But it is actually really delicious. And once you juice it, it'll keep in your refrigerator for up to a week. So just put it in a jar, just a mason jar, something with a lid, and stick it in your refrigerator, and you don't have to even use it all at once.